Hello gardeners, welcome back to Just Gardens. In this episode we've got this Trachycarpus Wagnerianus, I think is how you pronounce it. I could be wrong, but it's very sharp and in need of some attention. So here's the foliage on it. It's quite nice really, until you get to the stem. Now I'll try and get this into focus somehow or other, but if you can see them, they are deadly sharp. Just trying to get the focus there. Very sharp. I've slipped my fingers on these a few times and it's not the most pleasant thing. So you can use loppers on these really for a closer cut, but I like to stay away from them as much as I can. So I'm using the hedge cutter in a downward motion to cut the stems a little bit easier. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've got a bit of a cold, so I do apologise for sounding a bit under the weather, but can't be out this time of year. Now, these are the flowers on it. When I say flowers, I'd imagine in hotter climates it might even bear some sort of fruit. I'm not sure on these, to be honest. Let me know if you got any idea. These are one of the dead branches now, but I find in my experience they're even more sharp. I'll try and get in there. They're just deadly. I wouldn't want them in my garden, to be honest, but each to their own, I guess. So whilst cutting it, look at that slab. It's raised the slab right up off the ground. So I'll probably have to get the pickaxe to that later on. Just bring around the other side now. Yeah, it's proper gone under there. So we'll have to get that sorted also. As you can see, excuse me, as you can see it leaves a fair bit of mess. It doesn't look like much, but once you start cutting it, and you soon realise, oh, there's a bit more mess than I first thought. So for now, I will be leaving it like this, as the customer isn't sure if she wants it left in, left it like that, or completely out. So we're gonna have to wait and see for that one. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm struggling to get videos now this time of year, but I will try my best. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.